Across the world, UNESCO recognises and protects places of outstanding global value. In Northern Ireland, these designations represent more than individual locations. Together, they form a connected network of heritage, culture, creativity, landscape, and learning. From ancient geology to living traditions, these sites tell stories formed over time and carried into the present day. As a collective, Northern Ireland's UNESCO sites demonstrate how places of global importance are protected, shared, and sustained for future generations. Along the Causeway coast, the Giant's Causeway stands as Northern Ireland's first World Heritage Site, revealing 60 million years of geological history. Gracehill, founded in 1759, represents Northern Ireland's first cultural World Heritage Site, connecting a living village to an international Moravian story. Cuilcagh Lakelands, the world's first cross-border UNESCO Global Geopark, tells a story shaped by ancient seas, ice, and millions of years of geological change. Mourne Gullion's Strangford UNESCO Global Geopark brings together mountains, coast and sea in a living landscape shaped by people and place. In the city, Belfast reflects UNESCO's commitment to living culture, creativity and learning, as both a UNESCO Creative City of Music and a UNESCO Learning City, where creativity and lifelong learning shape resilient communities. Together, these sites highlight the richness and diversity of UNESCO designations connected to Northern Ireland.